Okay guys, so welcome back. Carvana, CVNA. So this is an update video. Before we jump, not a financial advice. Do not trade off of information for entertainment purposes only. I don't have a position in this stock. I'm watching this name. I did try to go long a couple times for a squeeze and I didn't make money. Okay, I lost a little bit of money up here thinking that this could have been a rally into the Friday end. No, and then I waited this week, but Friday, Thursday night, somebody came in, basically Friday in the morning, upgraded the stock, and stock pumped to 90, came right back down. There's not much of a volume. So what I'm watching from here, I do think that if this stock hovers around here, going into option expiration, we can see a triple digit numbers on this one, over $100. And if I'm extreme, if I'm being very, very like crazy that, okay, so this stock shorts are gonna be taken for some ride, I will be watching 150. What does that mean? Market capitalization of Carvana at the moment, almost like 10 billion, give or take. If this stock doubles from here, it will be 20 billion. And how the hell it will happen? If this stock clears $100 levels, all those shorts will pile up to cover, and Carvana does not have a very large outstanding shares. It's only 100 million, 116 million. And I know the short float, probably like 35% right now. So 30 million shares are short. But as soon as it starts, if there is some volume shows up, it can trade thin and it can have pretty big spreads, especially after $100 and going into Friday. If it melts like Tuesday, Wednesday, into 100, over 100, and Thursday gap, Friday gap, and then Friday it can just slam back down to $100 or something like that. So I know I'm I'm prepared for this stuff, but I don't have a position. Okay, I will watch this name, how it's gonna act on Friday. Option activity wise, 155,000 calls were traded, 97,000 puts were traded, and I was just looking through the borrowing rates. Okay, when stock has a very high borrowing rate, that means it's being shorted very highly. It doesn't. Okay, it has 0.5% borrowing rate and plenty of shares, millions available if you want to short. Okay. One thing for sure is basically after Friday, as stock popped, short interest dropped as well. A lot of people, of course, they're scared because this stock can trade illiquid and can take people for a ride. From those volumes Friday, well, half of the people still volume was shorted, and it's just daily volume. And again, it's not all the exchanges reported. Some of the exchanges report, CBOE doesn't report. Just judging from this 7 million volume, in reality, stock that day traded 11.7 million out there. So, yeah, shorts think that this stock is going to flush down. But for me, the only risk Carvana can flush down is if they do some sort of an offering, which means stock offering, shelf offering, whatever they want. I know this company is junk. I know, like a few weeks ago, I was shorting Avis Car Budget. I mean, of course, two different businesses, but same thing. I mean, they buy cars, they rent them out. Carvana buys cars, used cars, they flip them. I mean, for me, pretty much same. Car has 5 billion market capitalization, 4 billion, I don't know how much. Avis Car Budget, that's what we're talking about. Avis Budget Group. I don't know why it doesn't want to open that chart. But anyways, let's go back to CVNA. So, if it does fail 76, That's it. I'm done with this name. I will be looking to short it all the way to 50-day moving average to 60s, low 60s, and maybe try to fill this huge gap. But as long as it starts hovering around this above 75, I'm still watching the stock basically to set up for a squeeze. Okay. But that's the update. I'm not going to talk too much about it. I'm biased, super biased. I don't have a position, but you should not be. There are a lot of lousy shorts out there they're not afraid to basically talk it down every single day as it goes up, because they're losing money every day. They're not up. None of them up, because most of them came into short at 80s, maybe low 70s, and even before earnings report. So we will see what happens, but I'm bullish. Thanks for watching.